Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
This course is designed to give you practice with the vocabulary and structures that are most often used in common types of informal English conversations.
Each video will focus to a particular conversational function. It will begin with a typical conversation followed by a discussion of vocabulary and structures that are particularly important for the type of conversation being addressed.
Certain expressions are repeated in the following videos so that you will become more familiar with them as they occur in different contexts. Following the discussion are 2 sets of exercises to help you feel confident that you understand the discussion.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Today, we are talking about retelling a conversation.
Conversation in the present tense.
Hey dude, what's up? I hear you have a new job. How's it going?
Pretty well, so far. I have a lot to learn, but the people are nice, and there's not too much pressure.
What do you do?
Basically, I'm learning the ropes of management, studying the history of the company so I know how everything works.
That's great. I hope it all works out for you. I asked Matthew what was up and told him that I heard he had a new job. I asked him how it was going. He told me that it was going pretty well, so far. He said that he had a lot to learn but that the people were nice and that there wasn't too much pressure. Then I asked him what he did. He answered that basically he was learning the ropes of management and studying the history of the company so that he knew how everything worked. Then I told him that that was great and that I hoped it worked out for him.
Conversation in the present perfect tense.
Have you eaten yet?
No, but I've already bought my lunch. Want to join me in the park?
Thanks, but I've made a reservation for 2 at Royal's restaurant. Have you ever eaten there?
Yes, I've been there several times. It's great.
I asked Kate if she had eaten yet, and she told me that she had already bought her lunch. She asked me if I wanted to join her in the park, but I told her that I had made a reservation for 2 at Royal's restaurant. Then I asked her if she had ever eaten there, and she told me yes, that she had been there several times. She said it was great.
Conversation in the past tense. Where were you last night? We missed you at the party.
Oh, I had to go to my sister's house. They called her from the hospital at the last minute and asked her to work the night shift, so I went over to babysit for her kids. I ended up spending the night at her place.
I asked Sophie where she had been the night before and told her that we had missed her at the party. She said that she had had to go to her sister's house, that they had called her sister from the hospital at the last minute and had asked her to work the night shift, so she had gone over to babysit for her kids. She said she had ended up spending the night at her sister's place. conversation in future tenses. Hi, Joshua. What are you guys doing tonight? I'm kind of in a loose end since I broke up with Sophie.
Join us, then. We're going to hang out downtown, probably go to several places. Are you up for that?
Definitely. Where should I meet you? Better still, can you give me a ride?
Glad to. I'll pick you up at your place at 8:30. Okay?
I'll look out for you. I said hi to Joshua and asked him what he and the other guys were doing that night. I told him that I had been kind of in a loose end ever since I broke up with Sophie. He told me to join them and said that they were going to hang out downtown, probably go to several places. He asked me if I was up for that. I said that I definitely was and asked him where I should meet them. Then I told him that it would be even better if he could give me a ride. He said he would be glad to and told me that he would pick me up at my place at 8:30. He asked me if that would be okay. I said that it would be perfect and that I would look out for him.
Improving your conversation.
Using the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to indicate experience that relates to the present time. The present perfect tense is formed by a conjugation of the verb have, followed by the past participle form of the main verb. Have plus called equals have called. The past participle form of most verbs is the same form as the past tense form. For example, call. Present tense, call. Past tense, called. Past participle, called. Catch. Present tense, catch. Past tense, caught. Past participle, caught. Hit. Present tense, hit. Past tense, hit. Past participle, hit. However, many frequently used verbs have irregular past participle forms. For example, do. Present tense, do. Past tense, did. Past participle, done. Eat. Present tense, eat. Past tense, ate. Past participle, eaten. See. Present tense, see. Past tense, saw. Past participle, seen. Expressions. Expressions often used with the present perfect tense include the following: already, yet, not yet, so far, ever, dude, how's it going, at the last minute, pressure, learning the ropes, and a loose end up, babysit, give someone a ride, pick up. Already. Already means at some time in the past and can indicate that the action does not need to be repeated. For example,
I'm not hungry. I've already eaten. Already.
I'm not hungry. I've already eaten.
You don't need to close the window. I've already done it. Already.
You don't need to close the window. I've already done it.
I have already sent the email. Already.
I have already sent the email. Yet. Yet can be used in a question to find out if something has been done. For example,
Have you eaten yet? Yet.
Have you eaten yet?
Have you taken the exam yet? Yet.
Have you taken the exam yet?
Have you met Joshua yet? Yet.
Have you met Joshua yet? Not yet. Not yet can be used to indicate that something has not been done, and that it should be done in the future. For example,
I'm hungry. I have not eaten yet. Not yet.
I'm hungry. I have not eaten yet.
I'm not finished traveling. I have not been to Nigeria yet. Not yet.
I'm not finished traveling. I have not been to Nigeria yet.
I'm not happy. I have not received it yet. Not yet.
I'm not happy. I have not received it yet.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.